In this video, we will install Sublime Text on our Windows machine. We will also make sure that the file system of our Ubuntu Linux is visible and manageable from Sublime Text. So what is Sublime Text? Sublime Text is a popular cross-platform text editor that is commonly used for programming and development tasks. It is known for its sleek, minimalist interface, powerful features, and extensive customization options. To get started, please follow the link provided in the GitHub repo. It will forward you to the homepage of Sublime Text. Here you can see multiple versions available, and I will choose Windows 64-bit. Now open the downloaded file and follow the installation wizard. Great! You just installed Sublime Text on your Windows machine. Let's open the application from the Start menu. As you can see, Sublime Text suggests you to install the newer version. But let's stick with the one that we've just downloaded, because it is the latest stable available version. The first thing we need to do is to install the package control. Please go to the Tools and then click Install Package Control. It's been successfully installed, and now go to Preferences and then click Package Control. Type Install Packages, and here you get the access to the entire database of Sublime packages. For example, you can install Python or Terraform packages, which are able to highlight the syntax of those languages. For now, let's leave it as it is. Next, let's start your Ubuntu subsystem and get back to the Sublime Text. Click File and then Open Folder. Here type /WSL and then $symbol and press Enter. Now you can see the file system of your Ubuntu. Let's go to the home directory of our Ubuntu user and then click Select Folder. Perfect! We're able to see the content of our Ubuntu home directory in the Sublime Text. We can see the same thing if we list files in the directory from the Windows terminal. Now let's try to open a sample file. And then open the same file in Sublime Text. As you can see, Sublime Text makes it even more readable, because it is able to highlight the syntax of the language. Another thing is to select the color scheme. Go to Preferences and then click Color Scheme. Personally, I prefer dark schemas, and here you can choose multiple options. I will stick with this one. Next, let's change the theme. Go to Preferences and then click Theme, and then select Adaptive Sublime Theme. As you can see, the color of the tree has been adjusted to the main color of Sublime Text. Now it looks much better, and I will keep it this way. And we're done! We have successfully installed Sublime Text on our Windows machine. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.